From Hara, we conducted a survey of corporate insiders on their awareness of information security. 62.7% of those in information system divisions are concerned about security risks for on-site employees. An inexpensive and easy way to secure your company with blockchain is the Jasmy Secure PC. 62.7% of those information system divisions are concerned about security risks for on-site employees, right? We already went through the PR Times article, but there is the Jasmy Secure PC tab on the Jasmy website, and I don't think I've ever went through it with you guys in full, right? And we're gonna go through it in this video. There's also a YouTube video that we could watch, right? And what is great about what Hara and the team of Jasmy is doing here is they're actually reaching out to companies and corporate insiders, right? People that have the big bucks to find out the importance of their protocols, of their products that they've developed, and that is very interesting to see, right? So 62.7% of these corporate insiders have security concerns, and with the Jasmy Secure PC, all of the protocols they've developed, right? All the protocols they've developed will be very beneficial to these companies as long as we could see the partnerships and the Jasmy team deliver. Jasmy fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and become a channel member to support further. We're going to take a look at the Jasmy Secure PC tab on the Jasmy website. Do you have this problem? You know, this is internet security here. By reforming the way we work, I want to introduce telework. There are no human resources. Okay. Information leakage, loss, theft, etc. I'm worried though I don't know what to do. Right? So there, one thing I've noticed, or one thing I saw in a video when it comes to like aiming for becoming financially free or becoming wealthier, you know, becoming successful with your finances, if there's a problem in the world and you come up with a solution to the problem, that's when you could generate wealth from it. So the Jasmy team has seen the issues with security, and that's why they're focusing so much on that, to solve that problem, to generate revenue for the Jasmy company. Telework is in addition to the terminal PC cost. Network operation costs are high, right? If you have these problems, guess what? The Jasmy Secure PC can fix it. I want to use it with a small number of people. Doesn't need to be multifunctional. Don't have any other knowledge, so the simpler the better. Inconvenient, right? And here you go, right there. If you have those problems, well, here's the Jasmy Secure PC. We can solve all of your worries. This is very interesting, man. Very interesting indeed, and I love to see it. Let's see. App, just install the app. Even telework gets started right away. This is for more than likely going to be more used in businesses and companies, man. Without knowing it, robust security outside the office or home, even if it's a lost or stolen, data is well protected. You know, there's a lot of laptops, even in politics, people's laptops got, they forgot their laptops in a certain place, and all of that data got leaked. And that has happened a lot on the internet where data gets leaked. Recently, huge company like Microsoft got data leaked as well. And this is why it's so important for what Jasmy is doing, right? Simple functions and easy to use, intuitive and easy to use. Even if it's your first time, you could operate it without hesitation. So they made the secure PCs very simple and convenient, which a lot of people like. They don't like a ton of headaches. From one person, you can sign a contract or offer it for 440 yen per month, tax included, even in your home network, easy to use. So they have a tax platform that is built in also, right? Visualize business status, drive recorder, browsing history of apps, websites, and files. You have operated record PCs, operations such as you can check your work process and employee performance. Then we have screenshots of the secure PC in action, man. And that is pretty awesome. That is awesome. I have to say, that is awesome, man. Take a look at this tab right here. Okay, so it's more of a breakdown with all the images and stuff like that. Okay, man. I didn't expect this to be a full breakdown video. I didn't expect to go too deep in this video. Visual business status, drive recorder records your PC operations, including the apps you use, websites, file browsing history. You can check work progress and employee performance. This is absolutely awesome stuff, guys. I never actually went into full detail on the secure PCs, and now we are. Jasmy Secure PC Agent Drive Recorder. Look at this. Awesome, man. This is great. This is actually great for what they've developed. Check icon displays, users daily operating, count and display number of keyboard, check icon displays, performance of the CPU, etc. Awesome, man. And then we have right here as well, let's see, check icon administrator, check operating status, view agent screen. This is more than likely going to be more used in businesses, in my opinion. Now it could be used at home as well, but more than likely it's going to be more used in businesses. And there you go, the Jasmy Secure PC. And then if we keep taking a look at this as well, you see right here for the USB, etc. Ghost drive, prevent information leaks using the ghost drive, safely manage data with drives that can be only mounted under certain conditions, such as connecting to a pre-registered network or authenticating the administrator. Right, with the ghost drive, this is how your security is always secure, and your data is always secure, and you don't have to worry about your information getting leaked, even if it's stolen. Manage PC functions individually. Remote handling. Administrators can check employee usage status and access history in real time. Administrators can also remotely control ghost drive access permissions and screen locks. And right here we have the video, and I'm telling you guys, the Jasmy team has put in a ton of work with their development, man. IT Media, X-Tech partnerships as well. So Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Really appreciate all the support. I'll catch you in the next one.